The recipe hasn't changed since day one.
We come to work every day and we make candy. So what's not to love about that?
As it's a proven recipe for success, Kerrs churn out 65 million wraps of toffee every year.
Kerrs was founded in 1895 by Edward and Albert Kerr. In any given year, Kerrs uses about 4,000 kilograms of butter, 2,000 liters of cream, 30,000 liters of sweetened condensed milk, and 15,000 kilos of powdered milk.
And that's a lot of dairy. But if it's going to be candy, all that dairy needs to be sweetened up. Glucose and liquid sugar are measured out and poured into a copper kettle. Emulsifiers are added to bind the sugars and fats together, giving the toffee an even texture that melts in your mouth.
But we're not finished with dairy yet. Now a little premium quality butter is added to the mix.
So, the ingredients are just dairy and sugar. But one more thing is essential if we're going to make toffee: heat. Everything is brought to a boil. The sugars react with the milk proteins to produce caramel colors and flavors that are distinct to toffee. The higher the temperature, the more water evaporates from the mixture, making a harder toffee.
Yes, but when that toffee pops into your mouth, your saliva wets the sugar molecules, getting everything moist to make that toffee chewy again.
Kerrs make 5 different toffee flavors. This batch is your regular buttercream vanilla. But here's where all the different flavors are added. And everyone has their favorite, even the president.
The original cream and butter vanilla is my absolute favorite.
Now, the boiling toffee mix is in for a treat. A ride on a Ferris wheel. Cold water flows through the wheel, so as the toffee evenly spreads, it also cools. The big wheel keeps on turning, making luxurious ribbons of toffee, allowing it to cool faster. But no one gets to miss out on this fun fare. Any last bit of toffee gets manually placed on the wheel, so nothing goes to waste. The ride over? This toffee needs a rest.
While the process has been changed to automate, we still use some traditional methods. It's not a truly machine process. The people are involved every step of the way.
Now it's rested, it's at the right temperature and consistency and ready for the roller. Here, the big hunks of toffee are squished and squeezed by huge batch rollers to form a rope.
The toffee slides through rollers, narrowing it down to the correct size for this candy. Now it's ready for the cut and wrap machine. A rapid cutting scissor chops up the toffee, and it's instantly wrapped all in the blink of an eye.
Oops, I blinked.
Okay, let's slow it right down for you.
Now I see. Wow, that's fast. It wraps 15 toffees per second. That's 54,000 an hour. The toffee travels on an overhead conveyor belt as no space goes to waste on its way to the packaging room.
In here, it rains toffee.
The toffees get mixed up and weighed by a form and fill machine. Once each hopper has the right weight of toffees, they're dropped and sealed in a bag. Time for another fairground ride, a merry-go-round. They land on a rotating circular table to give these ladies more time to pack them into boxes ready for delivery. 12 bags per box and 120 boxes a pallet.
So this guy's moving almost 1,500 bags of premium toffee.
Yep. For over a century, this family recipe has been a favorite from generation to generation.
Toffee is truly a Canadian favorite. It's all in the ingredients. Real cream, real milk. It tastes so delicious.